Let me show you the version I have installed in my 7 Pro device. As you can see, I have installed Android 12 Custom Rom. First, we need to download the required files in our PC, such as Qualcomm drivers, which is important, an OxygenOS 11 ROM zip file, which will be installed by MSM tool, an update zip file which you can update by local upgrade, and now extract ROM zip file into this folder. After files ready, we need to put device in EDL mode by power off the device. Then we press the volume up and down buttons together for 10 seconds. And after that, leave the buttons and connect it to PC. And now we run the device manager in Windows to install the drivers. After installing the drivers successfully, we run the MSM tool from extracted folder. As you can see, the device is connected and ready to be installed. The OxygenOS 11. We press the start and wait to be flashed. After installation complete, the device will automatically turn on. And that's it, the OxygenOS 11 is installed in our device. Thanks for watching the video.